Today, we will investigate the characteristics of asexual and sexual reproduction. From this lab, you will be able to determine the advantages and disadvantages of each type of reproduction by looking at the data that we collect today. You will be talking about two groups of insects. Group A will be reproducing asexually, and Group B will be reproducing sexually. Remember, asexual reproducing organisms only need one parent, and all the offspring will be genetically identical. Sexually reproducing organisms, they need two parents, and all offspring will be genetically unique. So you will start off with 8 insects in each group, and you're going to record all the population data on your table in slide 11. So for the first year, you can see here is a group A, asexual reproducing organisms. You can see that they're all the same color because they are genetically identical. Here's group B. This is the sexually reproducing group of organisms. And you can see that they're different colors because they have genetic variation and they are different from one another. So here's year 2. You can see that there's a difference in how they multiplied and they changed in population. You can see that in group A, the population doubled, and in group B, every pair had an offspring. So you're going to count how many offspring were in each group during year 2 and the total population. Here's year 3. Again, you're going to record your data. You're going to count how many organisms are in each group and put that in your data table. Here's year 4. You're going to continue to put the data on your data table. So on this slide, there's a special event that occurs during year 4 to 5. It says on the bottom here, oh no, a disease has happened and it has caused all insects with the blue phenotype to die off. You can notice that something very catastrophic happened for group A, the asexually reproducing organisms. However, some of them survived in group B. So here's year 5. You're going to count how many organisms are in each of the groups as well. And you're going to be able to use this data to make some conclusions about the disadvantages and advantages of asexual and sexual reproduction. So here's the chart. I just want to go over how you fill this in. So for year 1, the total number of insects was 8. Okay. You're going to bring that number down to the next line. You're going to write 8. And for that year, on year 2, 8 more were reproduced. And we have a total of 16 offspring that year. You're going to continue filling in these charts and these columns and rows for both asexual, which goes in this box here, and sexually reproducing organisms in group B over here. So you'll continue filling that out. After you're done filling that out, you're going to go to the reflection questions. You're going to answer each of these based on your data to the best of your ability, explaining why. And lastly, to finish off, you're going to drag these comments, these statements into the correct box to differentiate between the advantages and disadvantages of both sexual and asexual reproduction.